a credible, free, peaceful elections will require us to engage the real stakeholders who are the voters of the Republic of Kenya, who are the citizens of this country. That this partnership with the United Nations and the development partners is important to us as IEBC as we race towards the 2027 general elections. This is because we as IEBC have to prepare for a peaceful, credible, free and fair elections, and we must deliver it to the Kenyan people because that is the expectation when they gave us this mandate. So my appeal to all of us and to the people of Kenya is that let us remain calm, let us continue having confidence in the work we are doing. So far we've proven what we can do with the 32 by-elections that we have just concluded. We've also observed some of the challenges that are emerging that all of us are well versed with at the moment. The challenges of the fracas around our elections, incidences of violence, and all those things that we need to work as a nation to address urgently because the general election is approaching and approaching very fast.